D&B Safaris Company. I'll be your nature guide today, taking you through a nature walk that is a swamp walk. The name of the trail is called Turaco Trails. In Turaco Trails, we are expecting to see different species of monkeys. That is to say, the red colobus monkey, black and white colobus monkey, red-tailed monkey, gray-cheeked mangabe, vervet monkey, and in the same place we've got different species of birds, the big ones and the small ones. For example, the big ones we have the hornbills, turacos, and so many other. In the small birds we have the weavers and finches. In the same place we've got trees and shrubs which act as the local medicine for our local community members around. They come and collect different herbs to treat their diseases. In Turaco Trails we've got rodents. For example, the mongoose. We have reptiles. For those who are interested in snakes. The walk will drive us 2 to 3 hours according to our speed, interest, and how much we shall see in the field. You're free to take all the pictures in case you have a camera, and you're free to ask any question. It is not a guarantee that you are going to see all the animals and birds, but you are going to try our luck. Our route will be a loop system. We are going to start from here and we shall not come back here. We are going with our gumboots because deep in swamp it is boggy, to avoid dirt on our body. So get ready with your bottle of water because you may need to take water because we shall be moving. I'm requesting you, if you're having rain gears, to go with them because I cannot predict time what will bring. It may rain and you need a rain gear, and some bags where we'll keep our gadgets like cameras and binoculars. Okay, are you ready for the walk? We are going to start from here as we are observing very well. In case you see anything, you let me and I'll have to explain it to you. Here there is a mango tree. We eat its fruits and they are very sweet. Its leaves, it is used to heal cough. In case you're having cough, you get the leaves and boil them. You get a decoction and you'll have to take it 3 times in a day. Then the cough will disappear. I'm also having a beautiful tree here. It is called guava tree. The botanical name is called Psidium guajava. Its fruits are eaten by animals, different monkeys. You find them here eating the fruits, and also we people, we eat them. You find us competing with animals sometimes. To plant this tree, its seeds has to go through digestion system for it to germinate. We got another beautiful shrub here. It is called Lantana camara, and it has got beautiful.
Come again. What's the name?
Lantana camara. It has got beautiful flowers in pink, yellow. Others are in red and yellow. It is very useful here. Its leaves people here, they get them. After getting them, they sun dry them. After sun drying them, they burn them into ashes. If you are having asthma, you go and start inhaling in its ash. Then after, asthma will disappear. Here there is another shrub. Are you interested in knowing it?
Yeah, of course.
You can first touch and feel. How is it?
It's so soft.
Yes, it is called wild-tailed pepper.
Oh.
The local people, they use it when after using the bush toilet, they use these ones as their toilet peppers. And even up to now, they put them in their toilets. After here, there's another useful tree. It is called Ficus notolensis. Earlier in 8 years, people of long time ago, they used it to get their back clothes. They could get the skin from this tree. After getting the skin, they sun dry them. After sun drying them, they make sure that they remove the outer skin. After removing the outer skin, they keep on sun drying until they get the clothes. After getting the clothes, there people could get their needles to get their beautiful clothes or pants and so many other.
Excuse me, how long would it take if I wanted to get a cloth from it?
If there's heavy sunshine, it can take 3 weeks to get a cloth.
Okay, and do I wash the cloth in case it's dirty, or when it gets dirty I have to throw it away?
You make sure that you keep them clean. They are not used to. When you wash it several times, most of the times ants. This colobus monkey is so hostile to chimpanzees. That's why sometimes when you go in the Rift Valley National Park, they will tell you a story that this monkey, it is fed on by chimpanzees. There's a tree called a makaranga tree. When these animals feed on that tree, they ferment in their bodies, and alcoholic content makes them drunk. And when they are drunk, they pretend that to be powerful than chimpanzees. Then they decide to attack chimpanzees. And you know, chimpanzees are very powerful. They end up being grabbed and being eaten.
So are there chances of the colubuses killing the chimpanzees?
Sorry?
Are there any chances of the colobus killing the chimpanzees?
No, they can't kill a chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are very powerful and they are very wise. They are 99% like human beings.
It is no, genetically no. But okay, we'll right try. Hey, excuse me. Remind me your name.
My name is Violet.
Oh, okay. Violet, could you be knowing this tree?
Yes. This tree it is called Calabash nutmeg or Monodola meristica. That is its botanical name. It has big fruits and has beautiful flowers. Now it is not a season for flowers. You can see.
Are the fruits edible?
No, they are not edible.
Why? But I can see that one. It's like something ate it.
No, after sometimes these fruits they get dry when they are still on the tree, and they have to burst.
Do monkeys eat them?
No, they don't eat them.
Okay, so are they useful in any way? Which bird is that?
Wow, are you hearing some bird?
Yeah.
Yes, that is a snowy-headed robin chat. It imitates every bird in the forest, and it is very beautiful, having a white on its head, a white color on its head, and it is having a rufous color. It looks so beautiful.
Mhm. Do you have any story about these colobus monkeys?
Oh yes. The story about this. A long time ago, before conservation came in, these beautiful animals, they used to hunt it because of its beautiful skin. Like the Batora, they used it in their traditional dance called the Orumege. They could wear this skin as they are jumping. It could make their dance more entertaining. And it is also in a Colbane family, as I have told you. It is also having 4 fingers. It is missing the thumb.
Oh, thank you.
The gestation period of this monkey, it is 6 months, and it gives birth to a pure white baby. Then after like 2 months, they start developing the black hairs on its body.
So you mean that one is more than 2 months?
Yes, it is more
But
than
it
2
is
months.
it is too small.
Yes, it is old. Those are Safarian ants. They always move in one direction. As you're seeing, there are these ones. The big ones are soldiers, while the small ones are workers. Are you seeing this one trying to protect the workers? You can see the workers carrying the nest materials.
So how do they live? And what do they survive on? Which bird is that? Is it a bird or
It is a bird.
do you know which? Which bird is that?
I'm trying to advise. Yeah, it is a grey-back Camaroptera. Grey-back Camaroptera.
Oh, yes, I see.
Now we have reached the swamp. And here we've got papyrus. Are you seeing them?
The what?
The papyrus.
No. Where are they?
They are there. They are umbrella shaped.
Oh, those ones that look like an umbrella.
Yes. They only found where there is water bodies, most especially in swamps. And here, the people here, they use it as a green carpet when they are doing their weddings or any ceremony. They use it as a green carpet. They get the headers, and after getting them, they lie them on the ground. And also the outer part of it is used by women who weave baskets. They get the outer skin. After getting it, they sun dry it. After sun drying it, they get other weaving materials plus the needle. They start weaving their baskets. I need nature. Keep on seeing nature.
Okay, that's nice. Like, what inspires you? Because, I mean, there are a lot of businesses or a lot of works that you could do. What inspires you to be a guide?
First of all, I'll be talking about the big five here in Uganda. For example, we are the big five. We have lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffaloes. Briefly talk about the lions. The lions, they live in a group called a pride, and they are carnivorous in nature. They feed on flesh. And these animals, they are very good at hunting. That's why they called king of the jungle. They give a litter after 100. They give birth to a litter after 110 days. The gestation period, it is 9 or 8 months. Briefly, I'll talk about the culture. We have different cultures in Uganda. For example, we have the Batoro, Baganda, Banyankole, Bagisu, and so many others. I'll talk about the Batoro. The Batoro, they are under the kingdom called Toro Kingdom, and their king is called Omukama or Kerabasaija. And the Batoro, they have their traditional dance called Orunyege. They have kanzus and suits for the ladies. That is the chitambi, small dress, and another small cloth up. They normally give the pet names. When they give birth to a young one, they give them the pet names, serving a special dish called unguro. That is a mingled millet plus roasted meat with small mushrooms. That is Omukaro cuisine. Another culture, we have the Baganda. The Baganda are led by their king is called Kabaka. They also got their special traditional clothes. For the men, they normally put on the kanzus, and for the ladies, they put on gonesses. They have their special dish. They normally serve the matoke plus the luombo. They have their traditional dance called the Maganda. The Maganda is having different dances. For example, they have the Baksimba. And the Bagisu, these are known as, they have the practice called circumcision. They normally circumcise men, the young men, to prove the public that they are strong men. That is called Embaro. They have their traditional dance called Akadodi. They perform it during their marriage ceremonies and different rituals during Embalu. And another tribe, we have the Banyankole. The Banyankole are known as the cattle keepers. They have long-horned cattle, and their king is called Omugabe. They normally put on the kanzus on the side of men, and the ladies, they put on a mishanana or the suits, or in their local language they call them obsuka. And since they are cattle keepers, they have horns in their towns. They are everywhere. That is their symbol, and to identify them as the cattle keepers. This is blackjack. With its flowers, it is used to make herbal tea. You get flowers and mix it into water, then you have to boil them. Other people, they mix it with a lemongrass for the good smell and adds in flavor. It is medicinal. It is used for those having the eyesight problems. It can help to view very well.